everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss: oral hygiene. Taking care of our teeth is crucial for a healthy smile and overall well-being. In this video, we will be diving into the importance of selecting the right toothbrush, the correct way to brush your teeth, interdental cleaning aids, selecting the right toothpaste, and the benefits of using mouthwashes. So let's get started. The first steps towards the maintaining good oral hygiene is selecting the right toothbrush. Did you know that the size of the toothbrush head matters? It should be small enough to access to all surfaces of your teeth easily. We recommend a toothbrush head that is half an inch wide and 1 inch tall. This ensures that you can reach even the hard to reach areas like the side and back of your molars. Another important factor to consider: length of the toothbrush handle. It should be long enough for you to handle comfortably. And when it comes to bristles, soft-bristled toothbrushes are safest and wisest choice. However, be mindful of the pressure you apply while brushing, as even with a soft-bristled toothbrush, excessive force can damage your teeth and gums. Look for toothbrushes with rounded tips for added protection. The correct way to brush your teeth. Now that you have the right toothbrush, let's talk about the correct way to brush your teeth. It's not just about cleaning the hard enamel surface of your teeth. You also need to clean under your gums. Start by holding your toothbrush at a 45-degree angle where your gums and tooth surface meet. Instead of scrubbing back and forth, use circular motion to brush your teeth gently. This helps to reduce accumulation of plaque inside your teeth. Remember, the purpose of brushing your teeth is not just to clean your teeth, but also to protect your gums. So avoid rough scrubbing that can damage your gums. By following these techniques, you will ensure a thorough and effective cleaning routine. Moving on to interdental cleaning aids. Flossing plays a major role in maintaining good oral hygiene. It helps to clean the areas between your teeth where food particles get stuck and cause decay. When selecting a floss, go for a high quality one that is less likely to shred or get stuck. However, if you struggle with the traditional flossing, you can try for a water floss. Now, let's talk about selecting the right toothpaste. The most important factor to consider is fluoride. Fluoride in the toothpaste helps to remineralize your teeth, repairing damage caused by what you eat and drink throughout the day. Look for the toothpaste that contains fluoride, as its main ingredients will help when selecting a right toothpaste. While there are toothpaste options with added features like whitening and antibacterial properties, remember that these are just additional benefits. The texture, the flavor, and the brand of your toothpaste can be chosen according to your preference. If you have dentinal hypersensitivity, toothpaste with potassium nitrate such as Sensodyne can be more effective in reducing sensitivity. Always check the active ingredients in the box when selecting an anti-sensitivity product. Lastly, let's talk about the benefit of using mouthwashes. Mouthwash can be a great addition to your daily cleaning routine. When selecting a mouthwash, consider your specific needs. If preventing from cavities is your goal, choose one that contains mainly fluoride. Some mouthwashes rely on alcohol to kill bacteria, while others use CPC, means cetylpyridinium chloride, as the active agent. It's important to note that some mouthwashes cause staining, although it's relatively uncommon. If you experience any side effects, discontinue using your mouthwash and consult your dentist. Mouthwashes can also freshen your breath thanks to ingredients like zinc that combat bad breath causing bacteria. And there you have it, our ultimate guide to oral hygiene. Remember, maintaining a good oral habit is key to protecting your teeth and ensuring a healthy smile. Take your time when brushing. Be gentle yet thorough, and don't forget to clean in between your teeth and your tongue. Select the right toothbrush, toothpaste, and mouthwash that suit your needs. and you will be on your way to a beautiful smile that can change the world. If you found this video is helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe our channel for more informative content. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in next video. Keep smiling!